SSD upgrade on Dell Latitude 5590 P60F laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Marie, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading to an SSD is a highly beneficial move, offering faster boot times, improved overall system performance, and enhanced durability compared to traditional hard drives. It significantly speeds up tasks such as file transfers and application loading, while also extending the lifespan of your laptop by providing better reliability and efficiency. This cost-effective upgrade ensures your device operates more smoothly and remains functional for years to come. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.